Hi guys, and welcome back to the Urban Butchery channel. On today's show, I'm going to be giving you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble the hand mincer. Bottoms up, heads down, let's crack on. So the first thing that we're going to attach into the body of the mincer is the worm. So what happens with the worm is that this turns round inside of the body and the meat gets pushed along these ridges and then out to the blade and then through the plate. You can get these in different sizes, smaller, larger, depending on what size of mince that you require. We're going to insert the worm into the body like this. That's inside, we turn it round. You can see here, this is where the handle goes. So what we do, we take the handle, place it on there, make sure that's on, and we get the screw which goes into the back of here, we place that in, turn that on, and we'll turn it round. We're going to add the blade, so the blade goes on first. A lot of people put this on first by mistake. And we've got to make sure that that flat part, make sure it's facing on the outside, not this way around. So you see it's square in the middle, place it on. Then we take the plate, and you'll see there's a groove here, and there's a groove on the plate, which is there. So then we place that in like so. And then last, we have the collar. So we apply the collar, it threads onto these threads here, and then we turn it round. We just make sure we haven't got this collar too tight by turning this. If that turns freely and easily, then we've got it correct. Excellent. Let's do some mincing. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then please press the subscribe button. Leave your comments down in the box below, and I'll catch you next time on the Urban Butchery channel. Skills for life.